that time of the year again. The street decorations are up, Santa's reindeer are doing their final warm-up stretches, and your favourite festive films are on TV. Here at Twinkl Kids TV, we've come up with 5 top tips for the perfect, environmentally friendly, green Christmas. Number 1. Sourcing a Christmas tree with FSC certification helps you know your tree has been sustainably sourced. If you have a plastic tree, make sure to keep using it. Number 2. Talking about trees, look for decorations that will last a long time. Wood and glass decorations are great alternatives to non-recyclable PVC ones. Number 3. It's always nice to get Christmas cards, but people will appreciate a phone call just as much. If you do want to send physical cards, there are lots made from recycled paper. Number 4. Before you go shopping for your Christmas food, write a list and plan ahead. Lots of food gets wasted every Christmas, and a bit of research might help you find some great recipes to use up for Boxing Day leftovers. And finally, number 5. Christmas parties can be great fun, but creating lots of rubbish isn't. It might be convenient, but you can save a lot of waste by not using disposable plates and cups. There we have it, 5 tips for a green Christmas. Happy holidays!